Hello, welcome to Jinmeicheng. Today I will show you our newest and hard sale charging room. Let's go. The wall is made of aluminum profiles with oxidation in silver color. The roof is also made of aluminum profiles in dark gray with powder coating. The front door can be opened and controlled by this remote control. Bye-bye. And we will conduct remote debarging with customers before delivery. The side door can be opened as per customer's request. What are there in the charging room? Let me show you. One set air conditioner. It is 1.5p and one power distribution box. Two faxes. We also will provide the 4 plugs. So choose Jinmeicheng just means that choose good quality. If you need a charging room, please contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.